I'm Rob with the Doctor's Toy Store, and we've got, if you need a flexible nasoscope, a Machita, Olympus, Pentax, Welch Allyn, we have here at the Doctor's Toy Store. This happens to be a ENT 3L. We also service and repair scopes. We buy scopes. The number one thing that happens with scopes is the bending rubber. Right here, as it bends, just like any kind of rubber, it'll dry rot. So the most important thing to do is change the bending rubber here before it cracks. What'll happen is water will emerge into the scope. Then you have a web or a film on the end here. And the simple change is like $395, and that's part of scope maintenance. You don't want to keep it inside X any longer than 20 minutes. And you really want to take care of these. These are the most, most fragile piece of equipment you'll ever own. It's all fiber optic. But we do have Olympus, as you can come see over here. We have Olympus. Now this, instead of paying $5,000, $6,000 for this at the Doctor's Toy Store, it'd be $3,700, mint condition. We've got another Machita with 0 broken fibers. We have Olympus, ENFP 3, 4, and 5. We're located between Fort Lauderdale and Miami. We have a showroom, so you can stop by anytime, and that's Machita, Olympus, Pentax, Welch Allyn, all the flexible scopes. We also have your ENT chairs, SMR carts. Call the Doctor's Toy Store today, 877-DRS-TOYS.